Hi guys, it's Chuma here, back with another video, and for today it is a quick one just showing you guys the October TreasureTress box. Guys, I am so excited. I low-key already know what's in this box this month, so it is really just about unpacking with me and seeing what the juicy goodies are in store for this month's TreasureTress box. So if you want to be able to find out what is in this month's TreasureTress box, then stick around. Alright guys, here we go. This month's TreasureTress box is here. Royal Mail delivered it this morning and I had to jump on camera to be able to share with you guys what is in store. Already TreasureTress are leveling up because it doesn't just come in a regular schmegular box. They've got their own taping. Can you already see this? All the way around they've got their own taping system, which is actually really cool. Very impressive, might I add. So let us just go ahead and open up the box and see what is in store for us. Oh, I really did just do that. I really just brushed my face with this box, you know. So you guys can see the TreasureTress box is obviously included. Ooh, she's pretty. She's very pretty. And I can already smell it. Ooh, this is so exciting. It's my girl Raquela on this month's TreasureTress box. She is such a hottie. It's exciting. Okay, cool. So for this month's TreasureTress box, we have, drum roll please. Dun, 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 dun. I need to move this way. Okay, cool. Let's make room for the box, shall we? So this month's TreasureTress box, it is no other than the new Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils collection. Yeah! You can't smell through the camera. You cannot smell through the camera, but this stuff smells so lush. Hot off the press, a new collection is upon us, guys. A new collection is upon us. So this is Aunt Jackie's new collection. It is the Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe, and I will talk you through what is included in this month's October TreasureTress box. Let's get it. Okay, so first up is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Grapeseed Style and Shine recipes, the Power Wash. It's an intense moisture clarifying shampoo. Great thing about this is it's enriched with apple cider vinegar and aloe. So I cannot wait for a wash day because you know it's about to be lit with this shampoo. What I was excited about the most, and you know me, I always get excited about deep conditioners. Like I cannot get enough of deep conditioners. This one is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Grapeseed Style and Shine recipes rescued. This is thirst quenching recovery conditioner and it's enriched with avocado and tamanu oils. Okay, wheat protein and all of that good stuff. Right, so this is rescued. Why does this stuff smell so nice? Oh, I'm excited for a wash day. Alright, already I'm looking at the consistency and that will be nice. I feel like this is going to give me nice slip, but we'll wait until a wash day to be able to try it, to see what hagwan and all of that good stuff. Okay, I'm a little bit gassed, guys. Just a little bit excited about this. As usual with any TreasureTress box, you'll get your wash day product. So you'll get, you know, what you need for a cleanse and a deep condition, and then styling products, unless it's a specific styling box, right? So when it comes to styling, Aunt Jackie's have got us once again, okay, because this is the what? This is the who? Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe. Yes! So let us go into the styling products now. They have brought out a mousse. This is the Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse, which I will be putting to good use. It is set to give me all I need because you know me, I'm trying to do a little bit more twist outs, braid outs, maybe give you a little perm rod set if I'm brave enough. I'm still healing from the failed attempts of the perm rod sets, but we can give it a go because hey, when you have a new good product, you want to give it a go. So we'll try it out. And then for the curls, we've got the Ice Curls Glossy Curly Gelee. It came a little bit unpacked, so it's a little bit jiggly everywhere. But you guys know I have already done a video on a curling jelly from Aunt Jackie's, which was my alternative to Eco Styler, and the link is above if you haven't checked that out. I thought that it was just a great alternative. I haven't actually bought it since, but sis, this It's a new jelly in town. It's a new jelly in town. It's a new jelly in town. Hey, hey, hey. Now the next one is Slicked Flexible Styling Glue. I've already tried this out. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that TreasureTress had a sleepover with Aunt Jackie's a couple of weeks ago, and this was included in the goodie bag. So I have already kind of sort of trialed this baby out. Ow. She is as slick as ever, guys. Like my puffs, my slick low buns, my high low buns, my high buns are about to get all the way litty. Okay guys, so those are the 5 products included in the October TreasureTress box. It is a takeover by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. It is the new Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe that I'm sure a lot of people have been waiting for, and Aunt Jackie's have delivered. It is Black History Month here in the UK. In the spirit of all things proudly black, this is a black owned business. It's just so awesome that it obviously like fell in line with this month's box as well. So it is just even that much better that we've got Aunt Jackie's in this month's box to be able to celebrate Black History Month. Hey! And then snaps for it being a black owned business as well, which is absolutely amazing. If you aren't already subscribed to TreasureTress, because last month we had Camille Rose, this month we've got Aunt Jackie's. You don't know what's going to happen for November and December for the rest of the year, and then into the new year. I feel like the boxes just keep getting better and better and juicier and more luscious and just more, ooh, I feel like, ew, yes, okay. I have got a little discount for you, okay? If you use Chuma, C-H-U-M-A, when you get your first box, if you head over to TreasureTress, you get a little discount off your first box. So if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead over to TreasureTress, get you your boxes. Get you your box and get started on this journey of more luscious products coming your way. It doesn't take a lot of effort. They deliver worldwide as well. So listen, you've got nothing to lose. Just go to the website, check it out, and go from there. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Judging by this month's box, babe. Stay tuned for plenty more videos that will include this line, because it is just, it's lush and I'm excited about it. Alright guys, and that is it. That is a wrap for this unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, have you tried any of these products, or have you tried Aunt Jackie's products in general? What are your favorite products from the collections? Also, if you are joining me for the very first time, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button to subscribe. Also turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you know every single time I post a video. Alright guys, and until next time, bye. I don't know, what have you done today to make you feel